Born Cottage. Here on the screen you are watching a two-story tiny house. In this video I'll share how I planned this and the complete details and sizes of this house. So this is the floor plan of this house. We have ground floor and first floor plan. The total area of this house is 20 feet into 20 feet. On the ground floor we have a outdoor sitting area. The size is 20 feet into 5 feet. Also you can see the sitting arrangements like sofa here, and also open counter for cooking. Here you can see this is the sliding door for entering the inside. This is the living room. Size is 6 feet into 11 feet. You can see the sofa and also front side TV unit. On the left side we have a room size is 9 feet 6 inches into 8 feet, and the window here for the light and ventilation purpose. With this room we have a attached washroom plus water closet. The size is 3 feet into 6 feet. Here the water closet and the shower area both are separate. Back side we have a kitchen area is 6 feet 2 inches into 6 feet. Here is a burner, here is a sink and the refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a powder room. The size is 6 feet into 3 feet. Ventilator here for ventilation of this powder room. On the right side we have a stairs for access the first floor. So this is the first floor plan, and we have entrance from here. So on the front side we have a living area 6 feet into 10 feet. You can see, and also a room size is 9 feet 6 inches into 8 feet, same as ground floor, and also the washroom plus water closet attached with this room. We have a bathroom with bathtub 6 feet 2 inches into 6 feet bathroom size, and also water closet with separate area 3 feet into 3 feet 6 inches. And we have a balcony for sitting arrangements. The size of the balcony is 16 feet 6 inches into 5 feet. So this is the floor plan of two-story tiny house, ground floor and first floor plan. This floor plan contains standard sizes and a beautiful exterior of a tiny house. If you like this video, keep watching the video and stay tuned with my channel. Thanks.